Let's take a look at the features on the LG over-the-range low-profile microwave. This microwave has several cooking options. On the left, you have 3 cooking modes and 4 sensor cooking modes that have auto-cook settings for popular items. If you press more modes, you have 2 more options. One for popular kids' meals, and Simmer, which is designed to cook pastas and rice. To save you time and view all your options, the selections for the different modes are listed on the inside of the microwave door. Press Cook Time to manually input your cooking time, and press Power Level to adjust the cooking power. You can only adjust the power level when you manually enter cooking time. To the right of the display, there are hotkeys for express cooking and a number pad. Next to that, you have a timer and a button to set your clock display. In the settings, you have options to turn off the sound and turn off the clock display. You can also adjust the scroll speed for the display, weight settings for food, and disable the Wi-Fi. To connect to Wi-Fi, press and hold the settings button. Below, you can turn on the vent to the microwave. It has 4 adjustable speeds. Select Light to turn on and adjust lights for your cooktop. The vent and lights can be paired with select LG ranges when the cooktop is in use.